Used to ride his drop, chop, banana bike through the monkey trails at night. Drank his first can of Bud up on Treasure Hill. He'd throw rocks down at the frog pond. He used to get a thrill hopping on a train. Hopping on a train. Now there's rusted tracks and tall gray grass growing up between the rails and empty cars. You say this train don't run by here no more. Just closed down the country store. And the mill closed down about a year before that. No train don't run by here no more. Well, there's footprints in the concrete where his father used to stand. They followed in his shoes, making paper for the news. He did his job with pride. Yeah, it choked him up inside to be American. Be American. Now there's no more smell of sulfur. There's no pork trucks hauling logs. Deals are made on fair trade, treat the middle class like dogs. He used to make a living. Now he has no plan. He wants to stay in his town. His whole family's in the ground. He says train don't run by here no more. Just closed down a country store. And the mill closed down about a year before that. No train don't run by here no more. Well, crooked politicians paid to represent, playing poker with the 1%. Aces up their sleeves, a population grease. They'll wager with our lives, any up our SSI. They used to wait in the lobby, now they're in the Senate and the House. They make the rules and bend them. They take the jobs and send them down to Mexico. Pointing fingers at the poor, selling war. They watch their profits soar. Yes, flag still flies. He loves apple pie and the red wine and blue. He's gonna leave his town. There ain't no trickle down. He'll do what he's gotta do. He wants his country back. He knows the cause is stacked. And maybe someday that train says train don't run by here no more. Just closed down the country store. And the mill closed down about a year before that. Our train don't run by here no more. Everybody gather round. The smokestack's coming down.